Hi everyone, Nathan and I have just recorded a 10-minute video and it goes in depth into the reasons that we should be considering a detox program before we commence the fat burning process. But for those of you that just want a quick snap overview of what this is all about, I'll hand it over to Nathan and he can walk us through those steps.
Thanks, David. So let's make this short. Drink plenty of water, around 40 ml per kilo. So if you're 100 kilos, that's 4 litres per day.
Yep.
Filtered water. You want to be getting good sleep, so get to sleep on time. That's when your body's detoxing. And you want to support it with something like this. I have manufactured this and designed it and trialed it on patients.
Wow.
And it supports the liver. It helps the liver break all those toxins down so you can lose the fat easier. You're taking it 1 teaspoon twice a day in a glass of water, and ideally 2 weeks before the detox, before the fat loss product.
Yep.
But if you're short on time, you can take it alongside it.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Now, for those of you that don't know, I've known Nathan for a very, very long time. This man does not take into things lightly. He doesn't take things aboard lightly unless he's done his thorough research, and he is a leading naturopath here on the Gold Coast. So that's why I've come aboard and joined this amazing program. And for me personally, this is exactly what I'll be doing prior to the commencement of my fat release program, because to me this is really setting us all up for the best result possible.
Then that's my intention, is to get you on the right path, supported, and have the best journey possible without any roadblocks.
Excellent. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.